British idioms can sound strange, but people use them every day. If someone is over the moon, they're extremely happy. For example, he was over the moon with the news. If something is doing your head in, it's really annoying. For example, this laptop is doing my head in. If someone is full of beans, they have lots of energy. For example, they were full of beans this morning. Fancy that is a British way to show surprise. For example, he moved next door. Fancy that. These are common in everyday British English. Remember to screenshot these and try one today. Follow Speakerpedia for more English tips.